This memory showed up in Time Hop today. Our RV was being delivered to us 2 years ago.
There it is.
There it is. Yeah, exactly 2 years ago today, we became RV owners for the very first time. It was delivered to us, we handed over the cash and started our whole traveling adventure. And now, today, exactly 2 years later, we are saying goodbye. We are selling it this morning. Nick is driving out to the storage that we have it in, and a family is driving 6 hours in from Pennsylvania to pick it up, and it will start their new adventures. So it's kind of a sad day, I guess, but also a happy day for somebody else to take on a new adventure and for us to get excited for the next stage of our traveling journey as well.
With having renovated the RV and redoing the whole inside and having some amazing pictures of it, we knew it would sell pretty quickly, but we listed it about 2 weeks ago. We put it on Facebook, Craigslist, a whole bunch of different places, and immediately we got some good reactions and responses to it. But then about 4 or 5 days later, our original post actually kind of exploded on Facebook. We went from a couple thousand reach to over 150,000 in about 3 to 4 days, going from 15, 20 comments to over 1,000 comments and 1,000 shares, which was really nice to see. People actually appreciating the hard work that we put into it. And the family that reached out saw it on Facebook as well, and they actually watched some of our videos, the renovation videos that we did, so they're really excited about being able to buy the RV. They said it's perfect for their style and what they're looking for. So I am heading out to the campground that the RV is stored in, hopefully going to meet up with the new buyers in about 2.5 hours, but it's an 1.5 hour drive, not an hour drive to the campground, but we've got a lot of things still in the RV. Got a couple maintenance things to take care of before handing it off to the new owner, so time to get on the road. Well, getting the trailer hitched back up was pretty simple, even though I haven't done it in months. It's like second nature, having done it, I don't know, 80 to 90 times. Simply backing up and hitching things back up. But it's kind of sad to know that this is the last time I'm going to be hitching up our trailer to our truck. It's not going to be the last trailer that we hitch up to this truck, but last time for this one. Well, here we are, our last little tour of our trailer. The family that's buying it has gone through. They love this, and it is really sad needing to say goodbye to this area. You know, having painted all of these walls, these cabinets, rebuilt the inside of this trailer, the table, the custom countertop, my workstation right over there where the TV used to be. It's really sad to say goodbye to a home. I mean, the girls didn't want to come because they knew it would be sad. They wanted to remember it as it was. Their area is completely cleared out. But just talking to this new family and how they want to use it, their little daughter's excited for it as well. We know it's going into good hands. They're really going to enjoy and love the details that we've added to this, and they said, you know, they're excited to continue on the story of our trailer. So with that, we just handed over the keys, have a last couple things to do on the outside, but this is going to be goodbye to our little trailer in our home.
So while Nick is gone to go pick up the RV, me and the girls are just laying low at the house. This was their first week of school, so they were exhausted. Did a movie this morning, laid low in jammies for a long time, and just relaxing, recovering from that first week of school. But when we told them that the RV was going to sell today and asked if they wanted to come along and say goodbye and meet the family that's taking it from here, they both on their own said no, that it would be too sad. And I'm kind of with them on that. Like, one of them said, I can't remember which one it was, said, we have so many pictures and videos, we can always remember it like that and the way that we lived in it. So I think that was a good move to not see it empty and say goodbye. This was good for them. But it is sad to say goodbye and leave it. I mean, this was a lot of work. Blood, sweat, and tears literally went into making this our little house, and there's a lot of good memories in there. And so it's gonna be kind of sad to leave it behind.
And there it goes. They were actually almost pulling away, and we almost forgot to sign the title. We get it signed this time?
We did.
Awesome.
There we go.
Perfect.
Sign, and sign. I'm going to actually sign right here. Bye-bye.
Bye. Have fun.
Thank you.
Enjoy the trailer. And there it goes. Saying goodbye to the treasure ship. And there it goes. Technically, we are officially non-RV owners anymore. It's a really sad day. We're excited that we were able to sell it and that it went so quickly. We know some families that have had waited months to sell their RVs before they finally, are able to get rid of them and get something new, or downsize or upsize, whatever. But being able to sell it within about 2 weeks was a real blessing for us. Not just having it sitting in storage, because as everybody knows, an RV in storage is not a good thing. So someone is actually going to be taking care of it, keeping it on their property. And we're excited that somebody else is actually going to be enjoying the hard work that we put into the trailer and really appreciating it for what we did. So now I got to figure out somewhere for lunch, because this took a lot longer than what I expected. I got here at 9 this morning. It is 12:02. I have an hour drive until home. And here they are, driving away on this road here. Last look at the trailer. And with that, it's gone.
Nick has said he is on his way back, got a message that it's sold, it's driving away to Pennsylvania with the other family. And then just a few minutes after he told me it's sold, another full-time family, they're a part-time traveling family that we know from the road, who lives near the campground, said they spotted the treasure ship going down Route 11 or whatever road. So it has been spotted, it is on its way, and it's kind of cool that another full-time family got to see that as it took off.
Well, I'm back. We don't own an RV anymore. How does that make you feel?
I made a picture, that's how I feel.
You made a picture, and what did it say?
Home sweet home, because RV's still our home.
It was. Yeah, it was.
We still have our camping chairs.
We still have these, yes. We had a couch, remember that?
It's like we're still camping. We just have camping chairs in the living room. We don't have our couch yet. We traded it in for something else. But since it's a sad day not owning an RV anymore.
Are we going to an amusement park?
We've told the girls that we have a surprise for tonight. Now they just came running in the house to find out the surprise, and their first guess was, we have a new RV. But
no, not yet.
Not what it is.
More on that in the future.
Are we getting a new kitty?
Or getting a cat or another dog, or those other guesses. So I had to remind them that their clues were that it was something outside.
Oh.
So that's not gonna work out.
No.
Okay. Still recording here? We're making everybody sick. Okay. We had to remind them that it was something outside and in the evening. So,
what is the surprise?
the surprise.
We're going to see somebody at a restaurant.
No. Okay, can you just let me tell you? Are you ready?
I want to guess.
No, you're gonna guess. You will never guess this in a million years.
Fine.
Okay, we are going to an outdoor orchestra concert. And the music that the orchestra is playing is from a movie. It is from The Empire Strikes Back. And they will play the movie while they play the music. And then at and then at the end, there are fireworks.
So you get to watch Star Wars
while
they play the orchestra, the music live, and then fireworks at the end.
Fireworks at the end.
That's my favorite movie, The Empire Strikes Back.
Of all the Star Wars?
Is that a good surprise?
I've read that book 4 times.
Okay.
Actually,
so
5.
you can even dress like Ray if you want to.
Okay, thank you.
And we'll have a picnic and we'll see the movie and hear the music and have fireworks.
See the movie?
Yeah, they showed the movie during the concert.
So this is the picture that you drew?
Mm-hmm.
Our home sweet home?
Yes, it's still home, even though we sold it. It was our home. So I made this picture so we can remember the RV.
It kind of looks like it, and you even wrote treasure ship on it, huh?
Mm-hmm, because it says treasure ship everywhere.
We don't have a treasure ship anymore.
Well, now I got a picture of it.
Tickets.
Dinner.
Go in.
All right, we're good. You want to walk over by the area? That's where the carts will be.
No, they're right here.
Okay, cool.
So if you didn't catch what we were talking about earlier, tonight we are at the Cayuga County National Park next to Cleveland, and the Cleveland Orchestra is partnering with Lucasfilms to do The Empire Strikes Back. So they're going to be playing the live soundtrack here with the orchestra, and we're going to be watching the movie. But this place isn't that full. I mean, lots of empty seats here. They do charge quite a bit for sitting in the main amphitheater, up to $130 for sitting up front. That's why everybody is way back here. Sitting on the grass only costs $26 for adults, and kids under 18 are free. So there are probably 15,000 people here. Literally, this entire area is completely packed. Inside the amphitheater, they can fit probably a couple thousand, but not as many, or not nearly as many as what they can do on the hill.
You guys ready for this to start?
Yeah, I already read all about this guy. And he's super amazing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he wrote the music. Well, he worked for 3 Harry Potter films and 8 Star Wars films. And he also has a very, very long
What's
list
his
of
name?
like 15. John Williams. And he's amazing.
Looks like the rain passed over.
I hope it doesn't start pouring.
Still no rain in the forecast, but we had a little blip there for a bit. I think we're good.
You comfy?
Look, the orchestra's all set up.
Ooh, the orchestra's out.
Why are you blinding me?
Intermission time.
Hi, it's nap time.
No, it's not. It's
movie's
bedtime.
over.
No, we still have like 12 minutes of intermission.
12 minutes? I'm gonna take a nap. I'm tired. It's been a long day. Time for part 2.